Hello, everybody. So I'm back with our Unleashing Your Passion and Vision for 2018. And I will show you in a bit what everybody's doing. We just created our 5 passions, and we're now going to be creating our vision for 2018. It's been a great exercise, and I'm going to go around the room and ask some of my participants what they thought of the exercise. Rebecca. This is Rebecca. So, Rebecca, tell me about your 5 passions. What are they, and what did you think of the exercise?
Well, I thought the exercise was fabulous. My brain hurts a little, but it was surprising. There were things that didn't even make it to my list that I thought would have made it to my list, and there are things that I didn't think were that important, but when I went through the steps, showed me how truly important they were to my heart. So
awesome. Well, thank you so much, Rebecca. Vanessa, we have Vanessa here. She's about to create her vision board here. So what did you think of the exercise, Vanessa?
Okay, so I thought the exercise was emotionally draining for me, simply because I discovered that I am an overthinker. A lot of us women
we tend to do that.
And but I definitely found the clarity that I felt I needed. So thank you.
Awesome, Vanessa. Thank you so much. And so I just wanted to touch base here with, we have this program going on today. And the secret to living a passionate life is that when you're faced with a choice, a decision, or an opportunity, always choose in favor of your passions. It is so important to live your life every day with joy and fulfillment and really wake up excited. So I want all of you to be excited about your life in 2018, and let's not overthink what we want to do, and we are all creating our 2018 and make it a great year. So goodbye, everybody, and thank you so much for tuning in today to our Unleash Your Passion and Vision in 2018. I hope that all of you have an amazing day and year. Goodbye.